Alright guys, we're going to be playing with the Sir John Luminous Air collection, and the first shade I'm going to take is Wisdom, which is this shade here, and I'm going to use that in the crease. And as you guys can see, I have the tape down. I think moving forward you guys are going to see a lot of this. I really liked how precise and crisp everything came out. Alright guys, now I'm going to take African Clay, which is this shade here. I love this palette so much. I know it's not one of those palettes that you see me use often, but I really do love this palette. I think they did a beautiful job with it, and I don't know if it's still available. I'm going to take a 224 by MAC and just blend. I don't want there to be a ton of color in the top. I want the color more so to be focused just on this outer corner, but I do want all of the shades to kind of blend together. And I think my lines are going to be way off today, so we'll fix that. Alright guys, the next color we're going to take is Pride Rock, which is this beautiful deep brown in the palette. And I'm going to take this with the same brush, and I'm just concentrating this on the outer corner and then bringing it up just a little bit into the crease and then blending with a 224. Alright, so I'm going to just continue to build that. Alright guys, I'm going to just build this up a little bit more.
Oh, Gabriela. No, Boogie.
I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up my lines and do my liner, and we'll come back. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. I went ahead and did my wing liner. I had a little bit of an issue with this one because I got mascara all over. But now I'm going to take the shade Simba, which is this color here, and I'm using it with a wet brush, and I'm just going to lightly layer this in the center of the lid. And then I'm using Extra Baggage as my eyeliner today. It's Dose of Colors, and it's this really beautiful chocolatey brown. Using the flip side of this brush, I'm going to take Landscape, which is this shade here. And I'm going to place this in the inner part of my eye and then blend it into Simba. Alright guys, this is what we are working with. So now I'm going to take my Extended Play Giga Black Lash, and I'm going to use this on my lower lashes. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Lovegasm palette, and I'm going to use the bronzer in this palette just to add some warmth back into my complexion. I'm going to be using my Scott Barnes palette. This is the Cheek number 1. And I'm going to take this bottom shade here, which is Glowy. I don't know what it is. It's this one here. It's the first shade on the bottom. And I am just going to apply that. Alright guys, I wore They Met in Argentina by Gucci, and I have to say I really love the way that this turned out. I really love the way that this look turned out. I think it's just very like, I don't know, it makes me think of summer sunsets. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below letting me know what you've been doing to pass the time during this quarantine.